Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on homemade chili with tomatoes, pepper, or onion and celery, and onion and celery, and has some Ritz crackers in it. And I'm going to dedicate this video to van life voyages. Derek and Tanya from Van Life Voyages. He sent me the bomb hot sauce. I'm going to put a drop of the bomb hot sauce in it. It smells. It smells kind of strong. Um, and but I'm gonna put me a little. I'm gonna use this dropper here to only get me one drop. There we go. I only put one drop in it. Oh yeah, that stuff is spicy. On a scale of 1 to 10, that stuff is definitely a 10. With tomatoes, celery, and onion. And that hot sauce called the bomb. He wanted me to try this. If you're not subscribed to uh to Van Life Voyages, I highly recommend going and checking out their channel, because yes, this stuff is right here. It is hot and it is spicy. But anyway, Anyway, what I was going to tell you was, Dad was hollering at me in the background. Sorry about that. If you're not subscribed to Van Life Voyages, I highly recommend going over there, watching a video, leave a comment, and tell him I sent you, because Derek is, he has a great sense of humor about himself, and he is very inspiring through all the challenges that he goes through, and he has an amazing story, and he's shown through his disabilities you can conquer anything, and Tanya, they both have a great sense of humor about themselves, and I can't wait till the day that I get to meet them in person. Anyway, on with the taste test. Taste test, here we go. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10. I can't wait to definitely get your nose running. It'll open your sinuses up for sure. But yeah, I would not, if you're not into spicy stuff, I would not recommend you getting this type of, because it is spicy, and like it says, do not use more than 1 drop. 1 drop does it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. But and I would not, if you're into spicy stuff, I would not use more than just 1 drop. Because what little bit I had on that dropper thing, that will light you up. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of my chewy here. And anyway, again, go over there, check out Van Life Voyages. If you like what you see, hit the red button, ring the notification bell, and watch a video, leave a comment, and tell them I sent you. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.